Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can screen record on CapCut PC. So you can either select record screen here in the home page, or you can select the shortcut, which is Control Alt and P. Or you can open up like a project here, and then there's going to be a record like section over there. So let me just stop. You know what? Select record. Hopefully OBS is still recording, because at this point I'm not sure. And then select record again. Then you're just going to select your mic, start recording. 3, 2, 1. And you can like go to like other tabs to like record it. As you can see, you can also turn on your camera for this, but I'm just going to turn on the mic. Once you're done, press the stop recording button. And then you can either download it or edit more. You can also adjust captions, voice, and change voice. But I'm just going to edit more to open it to my CapCut, and then you can export it. Or if you just want to download it, you can do that instantly. As you can see, the recording will be here with my voice and all. So I think it's super cool, and you can record games with it as well, I think. Haven't tried it, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.